work on the ranches out there too. And so we have Filipino cowboys in Hawaii, the Pañolos. And because they are Pañolos and because it's their day off today, they're going to be entertaining you with a song called Dito sa Pitonggatang. That means here in the area known as Pitonggatang. And in the Philippines, Pitonggatang is just a generic term for any urban place where there happens to be some guys hanging out by the corner store. Sometimes there's a few brawls. The women are beautiful, and there's a lot of storytelling that goes on, a lot of gossip, but otherwise life is very, very colorful. So here's the Sinagtala Theater Ensemble and our Pañolos singing for you, yodels and all, Dito sa Pitonggatang.
Dito sa Pitonggatang, sa tabi ng buyan, may mga kasaysayan na kung nalalaman. Ito ay hindi kismis na pag-uusapan lang, leho lang labis, walang kulang. May isang munting tindahan sa bukana ng buyan at sa kanilang kalye Pitonggatang. Ito ay nagtutumpukan ng ilang tambay na walang hanap buhay tuwigan niya. Ito ay hindi kismis na pag-uusapan lang, pinaleho ng labis, walang kulang. Ngunit bakit merong tao na katulad kong gustoso at sarap na ng kapay esero? Tignan ng iyong ugali at hindi ka pasensyoso, malamang oras-oras pa siguro. Ito ay hindi kismis na pag-uusapan lang, leho, walang labis, walang kulang. Yoroleo, haroleo, haroleo, leleo. Yoroleo, haroleo, haroleo, leleo. Imposible ang masihip kung ikaw ay meron sakit.
Thank you very much.